What's going on, YouTube? It's your one and only SCR. You know what it means. Man, it's a big time achievement right now since we launching our first ever program to be to be worked on. We are working on a mentorship for everybody because we have found what we would like to say the golden nugget. Okay. Now the golden nugget works in a pretty much the golden nugget works in a way where we want to take notice of these zones right here. Take notice of these zones, just the lowest points of a certain retracement. I think we can all confirm that these are all retracements here. Okay, even Fibonacci can confirm that. So people always get it wrong that retracements are only like on the bottom, like when it's following a trend. You can also have retracements on top, like here. There was a retracement, as you can see here. Didn't come back to retest, but you can see that these big retracements happen, and you should always take notice of that. Okay, so now what I'm about to show you is that I would like to put on this indicator called zigzag, yes, zigzag. Let's make let's see the colors. Let's make it black. Okay, black, and let's make it a bit thick. Maybe somewhere there. Okay, let's go. Now what we are looking for right now is we are gonna go on to our H4. Okay, this is our H4, and what we're gonna need to do is zoom in. So we are going to be looking for the last high and low. Okay, now what I want you to do is just to mark up the high and the low. This is the high right here. Okay, let me see if I can copy this. Control and drag, yes, just like this. Look at this right here. You see, now we have a perfect high and low. Now what you're gonna need to do is now you need to remove and go to your indicators list and remove the zigzag. Now that we have found a recent high and recent low, zoom in again. Right. Now, so here we have what we call point A. That's really point A. So right there. Let me just call it A. Okay. Put it back. Okay, A. And I'm gonna have B over here. Right on. So we are going to be starting from point B. Okay, because we are going towards point A to break out. Right, but point B is our starting point. Not that. Just a few challenges here and there. So point B is our actual starting point. All right. So what we're gonna need to do is try and get like what do you call that? Go to your shapes, eclipse. Okay. Sorry. Shapes, eclipse. Do this. Now we want to try and not to fill it. Already filled. Let's see if it allows us to draw it as a background, So change the color to maybe light gray. Do it light gray or anything here. Dark khaki. Okay, that's fine. Perfectly fine. So this is our starting point right here, as you can see, point B. Alright, so we are going to need to go all the way to our M15 now. Alright, so it might be M15, might be M5. It depends with how much of a high volume trader you are. Alright, because now from point B, what we're gonna do is that we are going to start to chase the trade. Now this is my little trick, if you just go to my if you just go down there to my channel at the bottom of the screen, you can see a subscribe button, you can see a like button, you can even comment what you want me to work on the next trade, you know what I'm saying. So anyways, as I was saying, let's start from point B. There we go. Zoom out. Here it is. Okay, let me try and remove this. Go to objects, go to clips. Perfect. Okay, done. Now, while you're here, you might be wondering, oh, how do you even find trades that something like this and all that, For the start, sometimes when the chart has too much volume like this, you might even want to go higher. For example, M30. You see, M30 seems a bit relaxed than the other side. So what we're gonna need to do now is you are going to need to mark point A. Okay, mark point A like this. Okay, that's point A, and as you can see, point A, that's where the market broke out because we started from point B. A is just an anchor, like it's holding onto our trade setup. That's what it's doing. Okay, but what we are gonna do right now is we might need to take our trend line. Okay, mark point B, don't be shy. Mark point B, drag it and just align with the others. Just align it, just try and do it, tweak, whatever. As long as it works, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can clearly see what the market is doing. Yes. Alright. Now, I think this is a bit dotted, don't you think? This is perfectly fine. Some might even want to drag all the way to the top and wait here if they want to, but I'll be my guest, Still, I'm gonna bake you up all the way. And now we are. So we say point A was where we might need to break out. Okay, point A we broke out there, and zoom in. Now the lesson starts. By the way, this is just part A. Like this might be the start of our series here. I'm working on my trading strategy that I'm giving away for free. Only those who understand, probably take the time to go through this, Anyways, so point A, point B. This is our start point. So from our start point, we look to our left and we look to our right. Which one has the highest, the recent high, the most highest high there between point A and this right here? As you can see, this is the highest we got, and this is the lowest high we got. So we need this low high right here, and you mark it. And when the market comes and breaks out of this zone, it broke out of the zone between A and B, and now came back to retrace here. Okay. So to my understanding is that usually the markets, when they keep on breaking up and down like this in the same pattern, like in here, the price looks like it's trapped in this zone. As you can see, it's just in this zone, so the price is trapped. And as we follow up, as we follow up, we want to catch almost every high, you know what I'm saying? Catch almost every high, and by catching almost every high, okay, let me remove this. Let me catch every high. By catching almost every high, it will help you in understanding the market better. See, let me catch all the highs for you. Okay, let me catch all the highs for you. You think this is a game? This is not a game. This happens every day. You just don't like waiting. You heard Forex is quick money, so you went and tried to look for quick money, but you couldn't find any quick money. So, you know, that's gonna be your own problem. So the market has two choices here. Okay, we have the lower points of the higher zones we had marked before. As you can see, these are the lower points of the prices we had marked before. Here they are. You see, here they are. Okay, and for someone who truly understands that the market right here, right, if it breaks out of this zone right here, okay, it will go out and do either retrace back into this zone. So what you need to do is probably you need to have an entry over here. You need to have your stop loss right below here. You know, you need to have your take profit at least twice this move, maybe here, you know. So you could have had a 1:2 or 1:3 risk to reward ratio, you know what I'm saying? And that's how it goes to. Same thing with the next level, you know. Stop loss here, you know, entry here, and take profit all the way there, okay? So the market will always surprise you in certain ways, but sometimes you see that a trade is too big to handle, you know, and it's really wise for you to take the small ones like these ones. The big ones, look at your stop loss where it will be, look at your entry point, look at your take profit. That really would be a very high risk trade, okay? By the way, this is just a preview of what I'm going to show you in the next couple of videos. So subscribe, turn on your bell notification. I'm still going to make Forex easy for you, okay? I'm still going to do that. Now, what we're going to do is that I'm going to wait here and I'll be working on the second video because right now I have limited time on my in the you know, the diner that I'm in right now. No one's in yet, but people start to come in, and you know, I don't want some noise. So peace out, y'all. You know what I told you before. Subscribe. If you don't want, leave a like. If you don't want, comment. If you don't want to comment, share. If you don't want to share, do not watch my videos. Adios.